multiplying or dividing a decimal number by a single digit number is similar to normal multiplication and division. We simply insert the decimal point when it comes. So suppose we want to find 23.45 times 6. We simply multiply from right to left in the normal way and insert the point when it comes. So 5 times 6 is 30. Put down 0 and carry the 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus the carried 3 is 27. Put down 7 and carry the 2. Now we have reached the decimal point, so we put it down in the answer. Then we continue. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus the carried 2 is 20. Put down 0 and carry 2. Finally, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus carried 2 is 14, which is the answer 140.70. Now, similarly, 0.03 times 7 is 0.21. Now, let's talk about the division. To find 23.45 divided by 2, we write this in the normal way like this. Then we divide from left to right. 2 divided by 2 is 1 with no remainder. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1 and placed as shown. Now we have reached the decimal, so put it into the answer and continue the division. The extra 0 at the end of 23.45 has been put on so that the division can be completed. Now, when there is no decimal point, it means it's in the end. So for 23 divided by 4, here 23 has no decimal point. If a number has no decimal point, it's at the end of the number and not written. Now, this means that when doing the division, sometimes we need to put some zeros after the whole part of the number. As you can see here, it does not matter how many zeros we put, and we can always add more if we need to. The division is similar to before as we have done, and the answer is 5.75. Similarly, 0.28 divided by 7 is 0.04.